Forces out, we have Run, Prospector Run, best to begin, moving up party outside, Aling Nayang, Dapitan, Bibora, Exceptional Angel, and Nichols Choice is the early trailer. We have Run, Prospector Run by about 3/4 of Alenka, being pressed by Dapitan in second, Alenka and half back in third, Exceptional Angel, then comes Bibora, Aling Nayang, and too far behind this Nichols Choice by about 10 to 11 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we've got Run, Prospector Run by about a head. And on the outside now, coming closer is Dapitan. Exceptional Angel now racing in third. And here comes Aling Nayang. Now trying to get closer in fourth. Bibora and Nichols Choice. Run, Prospector Run, and Dapitan fighting it out for the lead. Exceptional Angel is racing in third. Aling Nayang now coming closer in fourth. Then comes Bibora and Nichols Choice. Dapitan is on the outside, running by the Run, Prospector Run. Aling Nayang now coming closer in the last day. Come down at the last 150. Dapitan, Run, Prospector Run is running by the Aling Nayang is on the outside third. Dapitan this time by about 3 lengths. Moving up, Aling Nayang on the outside, Run, Prospector Run, and finally Dapitan, Aling Nayang, Run, Prospector Run, Exceptional Angel, Bibora, and Nichols Choice.
So, yun na nga napansin natin na kailangan pala i-urge mo, i-urge lagi
medyo
itong
may
si
kalamigan eh.
Dapitan.